Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video we're going to be organizing my fridge. So I did a restock, but I wasn't able to organize this fridge properly, the way I like it. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks now. This is basically how it looks, and I'm going to be taking out everything you see here, and I'm going to try and organize it properly. So yeah, let's do that, guys. So these are some of the homemade juices that I made, and what you're seeing here is basically beetroot juice, green juice, and carrot juice. I have a full video of making these juices, so if you guys are interested, I will link that video down in the description box for you guys to go watch. I don't know what you guys think, but I feel like I did a pretty good job. Everything looks neat, proper, just the way I like it. And this is basically what I was going for. So guys, this is all we have for today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And of course, please remember to tell your friends, to tell their friends, to tell their friends about this channel. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.